Okay, now we've got a 55, our 55 two-door hardtop, Bel Air two-door hardtop, and kind of a different style here for us. Kind of got the vintage lake pipes on it. It's got a hood scoop on it. It's on the turntable. We're just getting it started here. This is we've got a 57, a black 57 after this coming up. But we're just making progress here. They're just starting to show up and cruising right along here. So things are really coming together here at the Danchuk photo booth. We'll call it that for today, Danchuk photo booth here. Come in and get your pictures taken. So yeah, some really neat stuff. And as you can see, just really something else with the lighting. We've got still a few more cars to do, probably about 4 more cars to do after this. And we'll obviously have a break for lunch here, but good progress going along. Moving right along, getting some shots here. So, just again, it's stars under the lights. The cars are looking awesome. So again, check back with us later as we do more photographs. I'll post some pictures of this car, some different angles. We just rotated it into this one. As you see, we're getting some more shots of it. And we'll do another side shot of it and wrap this one up here. Thanks for watching. And again, this is Mike with Danchuk Manufacturing at the Red Gum Studios. Talk to you soon.